powerful 5-liter V8 that provides excellent performance.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. What's up and good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So obviously from the thumbnail and the title of this video, you guys already know what this is about. You can see it on the TV behind me, and you guys probably don't know this, but I am really excited for another Ford reveal. Obviously we're all excited about the Ford Bronco reveal. It is something that Ford has been teasing for absolutely years and years and years, and we are all hoping that they do what's right and build the Bronco we've all been looking for. So fun fact about me, if you guys don't know and you've been watching the channel for a while, I love old school Broncos. Like I have wanted like a early 70s Bronco for the longest time. I would even be fine with like the 90s OJ Broncos. Like I just love Broncos. They're cool. I like old square Fords. I mean, clearly I own multiple OBSs. I've owned many old Fords in my life. So today is the big day that they're gonna reveal the Bronco. Well, I guess it's already, I don't even know what's going on here. And it looks like we've got exactly 7 seconds. I did a video similar to this with the F-150 reveal, but that's not a truck that I was necessarily excited about, other than some of the technology that I was hoping would pass on to the Super Duties. But this, the Bronco here, is something I am excited about. I'm so excited that if all goes well today and everything I see I like, I am fully prepared. We've got the Ford website open right there. I mean, I even had a little reminder right there for the Bronco reveal. I've got the website open. I am fully ready today to commit to ordering a Bronco. So let's see. You're gonna watch this reveal with me. Obviously I'm gonna like cut through parts of this when I'm editing it, so you're not gonna have to watch the whole thing over again, because I'm sure a lot of you guys like me are excited about this and are watching the reveal live. All right, so they're showing this pre-production model showing, but I think we're already getting our first taste here. I don't understand why there's no audio. Something got screwed up right now, which sucks for this video and for me watching this, but I know there has been a ton of leaked videos already of these things coming out, so I think we're all just hoping and praying that all the features we hope are packed in these things are packed in them. So far I'm excited, guys. This is looking rad.
Departure and available 35-inch tires on every series right out of the factory.
They look pretty sick with the doors off.
Most innovative tech to offer the Bronco 2-door and 4-door, available front and rear locking differentials.
That's rad.
And we gave the Bronco Sport an available twin-clutch rear drive unit with a rear differential lock feature.
Now looking at the Bronco Sport, I don't know if that's necessarily my look or what I would go for. I'm more interested in the 2-door, and I've never liked like 2-door vehicles other than really old ones, but this is rad. I don't really like, let's see if they go back to a little shot of the doors off.
Because Bronco 2-door and 4-door have an available EcoBoost engine projected to produce over 300.
All right, I mean, I was hoping we'd see something bigger.
Available 10-speed automatic transmission or 7-speed manual.
Oh, I don't know if I'd be in the market for a manual, but that is rad to see that they're coming out with them. Like, just automakers aren't making manuals anymore.
And 275 pound-feet.
The Sport's looking very Land Rover-ish to me. Again, I don't know if Sport's necessarily my market, but
offering an optional Haas system.
Haas, got the Haas system.
Sensitive dampers, similar to the trophy trucks that race in Baja, and the
very similar to the trophy trucks. Are we seeing IFS? I thought these things were supposed to be solid axle.
Independent front suspension to keep you riding smooth at higher speeds.
So I thought we were talking front sway bars like there was a solid front axle earlier, but apparently I missed the fact it's IFS in the front, which I know a lot of people are not going to be happy about. Ooh.
Because there's no beam in the middle to block your view.
That's rad, but like what happens when you roll over?
You can enjoy
I will say, this does look Jeep-ish, does look FJ Cruiser-ish, but it looks bulkier, which is a good thing. Like it looks manlier, meatier, a little more square like we were looking for.
Including an available 12-inch screen on.
Now this is cool. This is cool. A lot of people, if you're building an off-road vehicle, you might not care about the technology, but I like the fact that it's got enough to make it comfortable. That interior is really nice. They did a really good job of keeping it looking super clean, but still having like the nice touches that you need. But I like that it's not too busy.
Off-road navigation and seamlessly integrated with your Bronco.
Ooh, we get some trail maps.
Trail maps that allow you to not just find a new trail.
I actually really like the design of the air vents too. Like I think they did a really good job. I like how that guy in there is wearing a helmet too, because there ain't no roof on the thing.
With off-road spotter views on Bronco.
That's pretty cool. 360 camera to use off-road. Like I know most luxury vehicles have 360-degree cameras, but hopefully they have like some sort of like accuracy that you can get a feel for. Because I know with like even backup cameras, sometimes it's hard to judge things that you're seeing.
And class exclusive available MOLLE straps on the back of the seats.
Tactical.
Slide-out table to prep all that gear.
The table's kind of cool.
Factory-backed aftermarket accessories on Bronco. And over one.
Those doors are pretty sick. I don't know if you guys have seen those doors with like the cutouts in them. Obviously, these are not them. They just showed a quick little glimpse of them there, but they look pretty rad. I can imagine the aftermarket world's gonna go crazy for these things. Dude, I don't know, guys. I'm excited. I'm seeing everything I like right now. Now, I hate to say I'm disappointed in that reveal, but if you watch the F-150 reveal, like, it was this big production event, and I don't know if I was just on the wrong website or something, but that was definitely not what I had planned on. It was just kind of a long commercial. And for being something that they have teased for years on years on years on years, I was expecting like this giant Apple style thing like they did for the F-150. All right, guys, I absolutely love what I just saw with the Bronco release right there. I'm sold. I'm buying one. We're on the website right now. We're gonna reserve ours. Oh, choose our model. Oh, we're not going with the base model. Do we like the Big Bend model? I don't know. Maybe the Black Diamond. What's the Outer Banks? I don't even know. I feel like I didn't learn enough about these things. They're gonna make it easy for us. We're gonna compare models. Step 1, select your model. Step 2, select your drivetrain. Step 3, select your equipment level. Step 4, select your functional. All right, I mean, it looks like we're gonna be able to pretty much pre-order. So one of the things that Ford's doing, kind of like all the other car manufacturers now, are trying to like get on the Tesla level of world of being able to pre-order stuff online. And obviously with like the whole world shut down right now, this is really the best option. I didn't know we were gonna be able to go this in depth in reserving ours, but let's really take a dive here. All right, so we've got the base model, standard 4x, easy to remove doors. Yeah, we're not really interested in the base model. Badlands, you get rock rails, 33-inch tires, Bilstein monotube shocks. Let's see, Wild Track. First edition. How do I get a first edition? Only 3,500 available. Leather trim seats. Are the other ones not coming with leather seats? All right, here's a better explanation. You get the Sasquatch package, which includes all the like automatic selectable modes, Wild Track graphics, carpeted flooring, cloth seats. So I'm seeing cloth seats kind of across the board here. We got marine grade vinyl seats on the Badlands edition. I know a lot of people want to off-road these things, get them dirty, beat them up, but if you're going to pay like luxury prices, I sure as heck want some leather seats. All right, we might have to get in on the first edition ones here, even though I'm sure they're going to be sold out if there's only 2,500. Unique interior, safari bar. I don't really want like a bunch of like weird plasticky bolt-on stuff. So check this out. You can get the Lux package, right? With the Lux package, you get a B&O sound system, 10 speakers, all kinds of evasive steering assist, heating steering wheel, all that stuff, but you still get cloth seats. Maybe we just buy that and we get our buddies over at Roadwire to take care of us and get us some leather seats on this thing. That's good. We got rubberized floor with drain plugs. I don't know how much I would beat this thing up. Again, it's gonna depend on the pricing because I don't think we're getting pricing today. I wonder if you can change your package, because if I get like the first edition package, and obviously they sell out 3,500, I guarantee they're already probably gone before I click on this thing. Do I get to drop it down to the Wild Track with the 2.7 liter EcoBoost, or like am I screwed? And they're like, yeah, you didn't get it. We bumped you out of line. Screw it. I'm trying the first edition here. This is pretty cool though. They got a little feature here. You can see what it looks like with the doors off, with the roof off. Now here's the hard part. 2-door, 4-door, 2-door, 4-door. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted for the 2-door, but then I kind of think the 4-door is rad. I don't want to regret this. Screw it. You know what? We're going 4-door, guys. 4-door, first edition. Let's see if it gives us like an out. So basically today you're putting $100 down. You find your dealer, you select your dealer, and you reserve it. There's a little revelation that just popped up. We actually got pricing on the Badlands edition starting at $42,000. I'm not seeing pricing on anything else. Oh, first edition starting at $60,000. Does it change when you go 4-door? Oh, they're not even releasing 4-door pricing on these things. 2-door, no, they're not showing. All right, the Black Diamond starting at $36,000. That's crazy because that was not here a second ago. Big Ben, what's the base model? They're not showing the base model pricing. Oh, 4-door base model starts at $33,000. And that's like base model. We got some steel wheels on that bad boy. Of course, the Ford website is just completely not cooperating with me right now. And it keeps saying like my dealership's not recognizable or taking orders, but it won't even let me select a dealership. I don't know if I want to be in on the $60,000 train here, because if you've ever ordered like a new vehicle in California or something popular, they mark the crap up out of them when they go to the dealership. When the Hellcats first came out, they marked them up. They literally like hand wrote in Sharpie and put on the window, California markup fee, 20 grand on Hellcats, just because you're selling them in California, and people would pay it. See, like I keep getting this. There's no option to select a different dealer. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. All right, we're trying it on my phone. We're giving up on this thing. Let's see. Now, I also imagine their website is just getting blown up today.
They're not showing prices on the mobile website yet.
I seriously hate trying to be the first at anything. It's always such a rat race. So the website just has not been working properly, which is to be expected. I'm sure like millions of people are going to their website right now. Now it has finally given us a little information here saying, hold your horses. I cleared my cookies on my computer because it keeps like recognizing or like assigning me a dealer, but not really showing me what dealer it's assigning, and then saying that dealership is not accepting reservations. So I don't even know what dealership it's assigning me. It won't let me like click one. So we've got a countdown timer right now. 17, 16, 15. I just want to reserve one. Okay, we're back in. All right, back in. Find your dealer. At this point, I don't care what dealer because you can change it. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh, it gave me a dealer this time. Oh, I think we're in. Are you serious? No. It was working, and then it just crashed. I don't even know what this means. I'm not an IT guy. All right, let's try and go back. We can save the day. We're like, I see the order page. It's right there, and it keeps crashing. Let's try again. Go back. Come on, load, crash. Stop rejecting me, Ford. I know I said some things in the past you didn't like, but stop rejecting me. Come on. Oh my God, this is driving me nuts. All right, just as I suspected, unfortunately, I'm not the only person going through this. I'm over here on the Bronco forums for the new ones, and it looks like they're going through the exact same thing, selected dealer issue, and then they're going through the crashing that I just went through right now. So hopefully, I'm gonna keep trying, guys. I'm not quitting. Hopefully everybody else quits. Everybody, stop trying. Keeps crashing. Oh, what a nightmare. Can we go back to the old days of going to the Ford dealership? I like that better. Oh, guys, we might be in. It's weird that it didn't load the page that it was loading, but now it wants us to create an account. All right. Oh, no. Every time we get a step further, we can go a step back. And we're back to this page. Wait, steady, don't look at... Oh. Now I understand it's hard to judge how much traffic you're gonna get on a release, but when you've been teasing a vehicle for like years and years and you finally release it, don't you think you have the infrastructure in place to handle the amount of traffic you're gonna get to your website? Like, this is kind of becoming a joke at this point. Don't worry, guys, I'm not giving up. All right, I'm gonna keep retrying and refreshing until we get this. All right, guys, well, after hours of the site crashing, this is the furthest we've gotten so far. I'm excited. I don't know if this is going to go through. I'm really nervous. I decided to not go for the first edition because there's only 3,500 made. There's probably 20, 50,000, however many reserved already. So we're going for the wild track, which is going 4-door. Hopefully you can see some of the little stuff Scott's going on right there. Not gotten this far. That's what it looks like on this side of things. I'm gonna enter all of my personal information right there. All right, here we go. We're at the make a payment screen. I've been reading from the forums. It could still crash here. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Let's see. Come on, baby. Oh, looking good. This is looking good. Oh, success! We did it! All right, so let's read the what's next. It says, beginning late 2020, and this is what I heard on a lot of the forums and stuff. That's when they're going to open up the actual ordering. So this is like a reservation. This is getting you a spot in line. Ford has also said they may or may not do it exactly as the reservations came in, which basically means like they're just going to probably willy-nilly pull names. But towards the end of the year, your dealership's going to call you, and that's when you're going to actually be able to go in and fully spec out all the options that you want, place the real order of the vehicle. Then they claim production's going to begin spring of 2021, and they're going to begin shipping spring of 2021, but the world's been crazy. So hopefully early next year, we start seeing these things. But all right, guys, so I might have got a little greedy, and I figure, you know what, you're typically allowed to order up to 2 of something. So we got 2 ordered, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. To me, the wild track just seemed like the right appointed one, so I went with 2 of those. We have successfully ordered 2 of the new Broncos. I'm excited. All right, y'all, well, now we got to do my favorite thing in the world, which is wait. I hate waiting. Now, will I end up actually going through with 2 Broncos? I don't really know, but I wanted to have the option, at least get my spot in line, just in case I do decide we somehow, for some reason, need 2 Broncos. I am sure at some point there's going to be a Bronco Raptor edition or a Braptor or something like that. So typically, I don't like to jump in on things the first round. I mean, I do, but I don't. I learned my lesson on my 2015 Silverado, being that the 2015 and a half came with like a bunch of updated stuff that was promised in the 2015 and you never ended up getting it. So I should have learned my lesson. Clearly, I'm not listening to that in my brain right now. And we'll see what happens. We've got 2 ordered. I'm super stoked for it. Ford, if you're watching this, hopefully next time you do a launch, you actually put some infrastructure in place to handle it. Well, I got to give a big thank you to the guys over at, I think it's Bronco 66, Bronco something forum. Without their help on like switching to a crazy different browser and doing all kinds of weird stuff, we never even would have been here today. Clearly, it's dark outside already. That's how long we've been here trying this stuff, but I'm glad to finally have a reservation in that's like, one little last thing we got to worry about. But again, this doesn't really mean a whole lot. We'll see what happens when production starts. So with that, we're going to wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Uh.